Let's tangle it up with batik. Welcome to Hobby 101. I'm Melanie. Ready for a bold, beautiful pattern? Today we're learning batik, a stunning tangle created by Linda Farmer, the founder of Tangle Patterns, and an absolute legend in the Zentangle community. If you've ever explored tangle patterns, chances are you've benefited from Linda's incredible work. Huge thanks to her for sharing batik with all of us. Thank you, Linda, for all you do for the tangling world. I start off by dividing the grid into squares. In this case, 3x3 squares, so I'm dividing each side by a third. Now I'm adding dots to each corner of each square cell. I like drawing my vertical lines first. I draw it from top to bottom, and I do that because my lines are more solid and stronger. It's easier for me to draw straight lines from top to bottom. And I'll do it again to close off the squares by turning my paper around so I can do it top to bottom again. Little tip and trick there. You don't have to draw perfect squares. That little bit of irregularity just adds that little bit of extra something, extra interest in your art piece. Now I'm going to draw little dots in the center of each square cell. Next, I draw lines from end to end through that center point and corner to corner, and then add more rays radiating out of that center point. Now I'm going to repeat that starburst pattern in each square cell. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This helps YouTube know that you think my videos are worth sharing to new audiences. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a tangle. And the final step is to add shading. Shading batik is simple. All I do is I shade or add some of the graphite pencil around the center point, and then I smudge it with my tortillon or stump. Please let me know in the comments if you would like to see more videos on how to shade. And there you have it. Now you know how to draw the Tangle pattern Bateek by Linda Farmer.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your zen unfolds.